Zombie apocalypse.
Water, the main reason for life on Earth. About 71% of Earth's surface is water covered, and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. Only less than 3% of Earth's water is fresh and drinkable. And 2.5% of it is inaccessible as it is trapped in glaciers, polar ice caps, soils and in atmosphere. All that remains is just less than 0.5% for the whole humankind on the planet. Unbelievable, right? Yes, lack of fresh water is a global problem. The demand for fresh water doubles every year. The rain falls on the land is fresh water without any salt. Then how is salt formed in the ocean? Carbon dioxide in the air dissolves into rainwater, making it slightly acidic. This acidic nature of water breaks down the rocks and release the mineral salts and get mixed with water in streams and rivers. And the river finally carried them into the sea. It is estimated that billions of tons of dissolved salt is carried through river into sea every year. Underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents on the seabed can also release salts into the ocean. Just imagine, what if all the seawater become fresh water? Could freshwater ocean give solution for humankind water crisis? Actually no. Millions of marine animals prefer salt water. As a result, global ecosystem would collapse as all the food chains would be destroyed. Mankind would lose one of its main sources of nutrition from seafood. Animals whose diet consists mostly on fish would die. Desalination would affect the marine plant life as well. As we all know, underwater algae plays a crucial role in producing oxygen for our planet. Algae will die in fresh water, which would definitely affect the oxygen level and increase the carbon dioxide in the planet. Now one question comes to your mind. If the salt water comes through streams and rivers, then why streams and rivers are not salty? They contain salt but in lower concentration. Rivers and streams have outlets for the salt to flow. But the ocean does not have any outlets to flow. The only way water can leave the ocean is through evaporation. But when the water evaporates, it doesn't take the salt with it. So all the salt gets stored inside the ocean itself. And also, hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor release more minerals like sodium and much more salty nature to the ocean. If billions of tons of salt water is deposited in the sea every year, then how come it is not increasing the salt proportion in the sea? That's because the animals and plants absorb salts in the bodies. Our nature is very smart, right?
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.